have a bit of a haul today. Oh, welcome back to my channel. I'm Grace Loves Fashion. If you haven't told, I'm having a bit of a kaftan sort of day today. And what I'm wearing today is a resort brand called Camilla, which is, she's Australian, an Australian designer, but it's also very popular in the States, especially in places where resorts are to be found, like California. I think her label does very well. But yes, anyway, I love these fluffy sleeves. Not fluffy sleeves, but you know, big sleeves. Anyway, so a bit of a haul. Few things here. They sort of all came at sort of 2 days apart of one another, so I thought I will do a bit of a haul for you. Three different things from 3 different sellers. Okay, let us so 2 of them are pre-loved and one of them is brand new. So let's start with this one first. We'll see what they are and then we'll put them up. Oh, this one, yes. So I've always been curious about Balmain, but you know, Balmain is quite expensive. Not so much their bags, although there is one that I currently like. I think it's very cute. But I thought I would look on the pre-love market because they're quite expensive and they're very well known for their blazers. But I do find that maybe like a full-on blazer would look very formal and very sort of matronly on me. So then I found this sort of tie-dyed pale denim one with fringing and gold buttons. It has to have gold buttons. I mean, they come in silver buttons as well. But I thought at least this, it would just be a little bit less formal and less serious. You can't do up the buttons. You can't do up the jacket, so it's meant to be worn open. I think this is really good for trans-seasonal times when we're getting sort of from summer to winter or from autumn to winter. Yes, so yeah, real pockets. Oh, cool. 4 real pockets. I'm impressed. So the seller says she's never worn it. So it's still got its tags here, spare buttons. All right, let's look at the other 2 things. Okay, this is, it's very Sicilian print. I've always wanted this dress and kind of just like, there's quite a few of them come on sale. And when I saw it, yes, can you see? Yes, it's Dolce & Gabbana. That's the Maiolica print. I love the vibrancy. And it's like nice and full. Yeah, my goodness. I know, I just really like how vibrant the print is. It's got elasticated at the back here. And, oh, wow. Only because I have a pair of shoes. It's not Dolce & Gabbana, but it's got that similar yellow and blue print on a white background, like a pair of kitten heels. So I can be all matchy-matchy with my Sicilian bag, my Sicilian basket bag, which is like up here. I'll show you guys later. I'll put it on and then I'll show you guys later. Oh my goodness, it's so fun, isn't it? So cheerful. All right. This next one is brand new and it's from a brand, it's called Fiorucci. You guys remember Fiorucci from the 90s? They're still around. It's the people who make those angel print t-shirts. They're so cute. And it's so cool. They even have a little sticker that says, refuse if seal is broken. Well, seal's not broken, so I shall like it. Yeah. When they have a thing like this, so you don't have to cut anything, and if you need to return the garment, you can just reuse the box. Oh, I do have to break the seal. I can break it. And this, I've waited like a year for it to go on sale. Oh, but there are other things I want to buy. Some last chance item things. But this really caught my eye because I think it's so cute. It's actually a lace dress. It's so long, look. And I knew it was going to be long. Beautiful like lace embroidery here throughout the whole length of the dress. You can buy this in the skirt version as well. And there are two little hearts on the nipples. I think it's so cute. And the slip is removable with little buttons. How clever is that? So I will be wearing it with a slip, obviously. Or I can wear it over like a pair of jeans or a pair of like denim shorts, because that's how they have it styled in the website. Of course it's long, but it means that I'll be able to cinch it in here on a belt and blouse it over. All right, watch shorts time. Okay, I know it's white, but just because it's white doesn't mean it's got to be bridal. But it can work as a bridal dress, actually, like a really beachy style. Oh my god, these two hearts, they're so cute. So it's really long, obviously, like I have to turn the phone around. So I think while this is up here, I think I can sort of, oh, it's very delicate lace, bring it up to about, oh my gosh, I considered buying the skirt version because then I could wear it up here, but then I would lose the heart and I really wanted the heart. That's okay. I think a gold chain type of would do, but I'm really worried about this catching, so I'm going to use a different gold belt. Okay, so I've had it belted with a chain belt. Because of this, I think while it's beautiful, I think it's not bad, but I think it makes me, doesn't look that flattering. So we'll try something else. Be back. The belt works a bit better. However, I do have, I think like one of these ones. Maybe because if it's all white, might work better. Might not. Yeah, wait, hang on. Is it right? Yes. This might work better. Happy with using this, but I think I know the problem is because it then looks unflattering, like a tube. So what I'm going to do is, I think it needs to be brought in at the waist. And then we're just going to use this belt just trying to adjust the lining as well, and bring up the back at the same time over here, so we don't have this two-level look, because then I think that's when it starts to look a bit matronly. Oh, I like how there's a high slit at the back for walking. And then now, oops, hair. Well, of course, this will have to be hidden. I'll just, it's a back strap actually, guys. It's a back strap. There you go. Okay, so now it's brought up without cutting anything. Oh, perfect. Now there is a bit of a shape, and the white ribbon will pick up the waist, sort of the heart, not the waist. So I'm gonna have to like tuck in these extra bits so that it hides as well the gold belt. Yeah, like this, something like this, but you get the idea. Oh my goodness, I do like it. Sort of like it is like, I feel, you know, Fiorucci is all for a little bit of fun. Oh, I don't know. I think it might just be nice without cinching. It's just a straight cut dress. I'll just have to wear my Vivienne Westwood heels, the 10-inch ones, to go with it. That solves everything. I'll play around with it, but you get the idea. That was my suggestion, is to always bring things up because I'm not very tall. All right, let's try. Oh, yes, because of this dress, I want to put on the Balmain jacket. I think it looks really cool. Will it? Or I do want like a crop jacket, a crop denim jacket, but there is one from Fiorucci that I will get as well. I don't know why I didn't put that in the cart along with this dress. And yes, Balmain's jackets are usually very quite skinny in the arms, so, and they're very fitted. That's their signature look. I think I'm not getting this today, but yeah, it's kind of like cool at the same time. It's like cool matron, cool headmistress look. Yeah, okay, everything's on the floor right now. Let's put on the Dolce Gabbana dress. Okay, so it comes to just above the ankle. Yeah, for me. And these are the shoes. See, like they sort of match the color scheme. And this is my Sicilian made bag, basket bag. I think I've shown this before. Let me just undo it from the bag. It's handmade in Sicily, which is really, really cool. Let me just bring up all these. Okay, yeah, so I think it's a look, isn't it? Oh my goodness, it's so bright, it's so fun, it's so colorful, and I think a pair of like raffia wedges would look really good with this dress because it will match, pick up the raffia on these on the basket rather than that shoes. I think this will be a very formal, matronly principal look, but then I think, yeah, raffia sandals would look so much better. Yeah, so we have that beachy Sicilian vibe. Maybe, I don't know. Anyway, thank you for watching. A little bit of a nonsense kind of video. Thank you. Bye everyone. Okay, so you may have guessed this is like a different, well, same day, just a few hours later. I've had a think and I decided I don't like the original slip dress that came with it. So this is my own slip dress that I've decided to wear under it because, and I found my white ribbon tie, and this is what I'm going to do, because what I needed to do was to actually roll up the sheer lace section without rolling up the actual lining, because that then made it really heavy. So what I've done, this is, I think this works to shorten it without having to cut anything. See, all I needed was just different shoes, yeah, and do that, and that way this lace is still seen. This little ribbon tie kind of is cute, sort of the same color with the two hearts. Yeah, like that. So now it works. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Yes, so I definitely want to buy the lollipop, the confetti print cropped denim jacket from Fiorucci. Yeah, okay, now it's really nice. And my own slip is actually a silk slip, whereas I think the one that originally came with it is polyester, and it's just a little bit tight on the hips. and it wasn't that comfortable. And it does sort of like, it's one of those fabric that clings to the body and you don't move well. Doesn't move well. But this is my own slip. I think it looks so much, I think that other slip's heavier. It weighs down the lightness of this, the lace. Yeah, so yes, this is how I would style it. And what's so cute here though, made, I think it says in love, made in love. I think maybe they mean like made with love, but made in love. Yeah, that works. Made while you're in love.